Welcome to this introduction video about the use of Gmail. In this video we will show you how to schedule email sending. First, compose a new email. Click on the arrow next to the Send button and choose Scheduled Send. Now select the date and time that you want to send this email. You can see all scheduled email on the left side in the label Scheduled. You can open the email and, if you want, cancel it. Then you can resend or reschedule the email and maybe select another date. Now we select the date and time that we would like to send this email. Scheduled send can be useful for different types of topics. For instance, for the use of marketing campaigns, but also when you're processing your email outside of office hours, like in the evening or in the weekend. The receiver won't see a strange time or date when the email was sent.